Okay, I've got a request as to how to calculate the annualized rate. So now if they're asking you to find the annualized rate of 1 plus 0.0573 raised to the power of 4 minus 1 into 100, let us see how to calculate that on the calculator. Now it's given 1 plus 0.0573, so it will become 1 with 1 plus, so 1.0573. This is like the total of that 1 plus 0.0573. Now check the number, this is 1 raised to the power of 4. So when I press multiplied and equal to, it means square. If I press one more time, it will be cube. One more time, it will be 4 times. So now look at this. This 5 indicates the number has been taken 4 times. Now after that, minus 1 into 100. That's my final answer, 24.96. So my final answer is 24.96%.